In this video, we are going to talk about some formatting of cells inside of Excel, particularly dealing with stationing. So right now we have our stations inputted as a whole number, and if you're wanting to utilize those in a formula, possibly in your quantity sheet down the road, you can utilize that. So like for this example here, I have a cell set up that says equals C8 minus B8. So I can put in those values, and whatever I put inside of here, it's going to reflect back to this formula right here. But for my stationing, I want to put in 920 plus 00. Well, if I put in 920 plus 00, then my formula will no longer work. So the way to get around that, to get it to where you can put in a whole value, but still it'll read out or display as a station. Let me go ahead and revert that back. What you can do is come in here and you can select one or you can select all of them, depending on what situation that you have. Once you have those cells selected, go ahead and right click over it, and there's an option that says Format Cells. Inside of here, go to the number. In your category, go down to Custom, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see some different station outputs that you can format it to. You can format it to a whole station, round it to a tenth or a hundredth, depending on what situation that you have. So I'm going to use this option for this example. And if I click on OK, you'll see that it's going to read out with that plus inside of there. But the program still knows that you inputted that value as a whole number, just like what you see right here. So later on, if you want to utilize these cells in a formula of some way, you can utilize those. So that's just an example of formatting the cells in order for it to read out as a station, but still the program knows that it's a whole number that you can use in formulas inside of your table.